A very warm welcome to one and all in this valedictory session. A very good afternoon. Post COVID-19, it was almost a challenge for all of us to organize or participate in physical mode, any sort of academic learning activity. This concluding faculty development program on ARM Cortex microcontroller for renewable energy source integration at SISTEC E, Rathiwad campus under Technotree RGPP Bhopal is a proof that this is a new normal. Yes, dear friends, this is a new normal where we all have adhered to Corona protocol to maintain safe distance, mask wearing, sanitization. Along with this, new zeal to learn, improve for better future. I would now like to request all the dignitaries to kindly come upon the desk. Sir, please. दुखिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है। दुखिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है। जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में। बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। These 2 days activity on ARM Cortex microcontroller for renewable energy source integration, we have learned so many things successfully. The experiment-based learning, motivation of renewable energy, future AC/DC integrated grid of power system, storage system, the challenges of building infrastructure, and many more. Dear friends, dear participants, as we all are belonging to engineering fraternity, we know the importance of feedback. Feedback is considered acknowledgement of whatever delivery is provided. In engineering world also, whether it is theoretical aspect or practical aspect, whether it is academic aspect or industrial aspect, feedback completes the path from input to output through various processes, giving us ideas to reduce error, to reduce losses, and to enhance output or productivity or learning. Dear participants, yes, we are now open for your feedback. I would like to invite from your side those who want to give feedback. Please raise your hand.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Dance Nayak, Electrical Department. Last 2 days session, I have learned many new things in this development program. Many new things, and I have learned about pin configurations of microcontrollers and new features of controllers and many new things. This session is very fruitful for all of us, and I increase my knowledge about electrical technologies and also develop my skills. So I thank you to Dr. Mulla sir and Mr. Juni sir to give your precious time and share your knowledge and experience with us. And also thank you to RGP Tech Third and our wonderful principal sir and Juni sir for organizing this event for us. Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Please raise your hand. Anisul, kindly take your microphone.
Good afternoon to all of you. Sir, I'm outside from this college, basically People's Group of University, Bhopal. And last 2 days, I have learned here so many things that is based on the renewable energy tracking systems, as well as the power system implementation, how we can control the voltage, power angle, as well as the current, various sides sending end, as well as the receiving end. So that can be discussed here through hardware as well as the software combination. So that is very helpful for us for the research, not only the research, us to develop some innovative idea-based some projects also. So definitely that is helpful for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, all of you, respected dignitaries, honorable principal sir, HOD sir, speakers, sir, minister. Myself, Deepankar Pramani. I had done my master's in bioeconomics from BIT Ranchi. I thoroughly enjoyed these 2 days and I learned many new things. And I had interacted with this learned personals and I had learned many things. During this session, I had learned basic structure in Cortex microcontroller and its application in MPPT and PLL. Also, I had exercises various block diagram in this kit from this kit, which will keeps me the feel of learning more and more about this kit. And at last, I would like to thank our principal sir and Judy sir for conducting such a nice event. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Anybody else want to give the feedback or share your experience of these 2 days FDP?
Good evening, all of you. I am Khushbu. I am MTech scholar. Last 2 days मैंने सीखा कि MPPT के थ्रू हार्डवेयर के सिमुलेशन मॉडल को हार्डवेयर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है और ड्यूटी साइकिल के थ्रू वोल्टेज वेरी करना और काफी सारी चीजें सीखी जो मुझे आगे हेल्पफुल रहेगा एंड मेरी रिसर्च वर्क के लिए. Thank you so much. Principal sir, HOD sir, all faculties and experts sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Is this all? Or anybody else who wants to give or share their feedback or views of this FDP? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, dear participants. Your feedback is really very valuable for us to improve and align accordingly in future FDPs and short-term study programs or any kind of lectures to enhance our technology. Thank you. Now, I would like to request our distinguished speaker, Dr. Mohammad Ashraf A. Mullah sir, to share a few words of his experience and any sort of suggestions he would like to share with us to enhance the futures or further any kind of technology sharing program. Dr. sir, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal sir, HOD sir, different department HODs, faculty members, as well as students. I take this opportunity to thank for calling us and making us part of this program. We have tried to demonstrate you that how easily you can solve your project problem or research problem. So this 2 days discussion should help research scholar and faculty members to apply on their PhD or research work, and to MTech and BTech scholars for doing some good project by applying these solutions. So I am sure 2 days we have felt that 2 days are less, but still path we have tried to demonstrate it. You can take it further at whatever place you will feel difficulty. Feel free to interact us. Email will be a better way to communicate. We will try to help whatever we can. Further interaction, so we keep organizing such program at SVNIT or this NITech also. So if you find it useful, theme may be different. At this stage, we focused on renewable energy. It may be some other subject, and those problems we may try to solve via such platform. So always our approach remains that how experimentally things can be done. So on that front, all courses will be there. So if you are interested, you may write me an email. I will try to get your email address included in the mailing list through which those informations are normally shared. And sometimes you can come to SVNIT, you can come to NIT, you can spend 2 days. We will try to help whatever we can. So this interaction should not be of 2 days, and this effort all the way coming from Surat, bringing all this hardware and trying to do something here, will be fulfilled only when a few of you will take it further and apply this in your area. So with that, I thank the organizer for making us a part of this program, and nice institute, so very good campus. We enjoyed our stay here, and thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Muhammad Yusuf Mullah sir. You have said it very rightly. The more we listen to you, the lesser we felt. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Principal sir to present memento to respected dignitary Dr. Mullah sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request the co-coordinator, Professor Sumin Awal sir, to present memento to Mr. Sayyid Junaid sir. Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to request our Honorable Principal sir, Dr. Manish Pujara sir, to address us, to bless us with his kind words. Sir, please.
Thank you, Pankaj sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Our esteemed guest, Dr. Mullah, and I would now say that my friend, Dr. Mullah, and my friend, Mr. Junaid. So you have stolen our hearts in these 2 days. With a very brief interaction, you have made us realize that why people from all over India are looking for you. Why people from different colleges, whether normal college, a small engineering college, or NIT or an IIT, why people are awaiting to listen to you, awaiting to have interactions with you. And then you would also have realized in these 2 days that things are not impossible. If you plan, if you aspire, if you think, if you do, if you try, then they have beaten companies like National Instruments, if I remember correctly. So many British, German, and American companies, and the product is here, ready to be implemented, rather already being implemented in a lot of industries. So with this kind of FDP, I think the message what we should get is to establish a connect between the book and the practice. Whatever is written in the book and whatever we practice. Unless we practice, unless we make something which is of some use to somebody, then I think book is not complete. So this is a clear message and a live demonstration that we have got from this FDP. I have been attending a lot of FDP, but then perhaps this is the first one in which I have got a real working example or a product of some theoretical knowledge getting converted into practice. So that is the message which I got. And I'm sure all of you would have got some or the other message, some or the other takeaway in different capacities. And as Dr. Mullah already kindly mentioned to us, that we can remain in touch with him on a continuous basis. So it's not about the individual, but as I mentioned in the inaugural, it's about the institute that we are definitely willing to get associated with you, sir, on a long-term basis. Today also, in the evening, we are going to have a visit to an establishment in Bhopal who are working on solar energy. So I'm sure Dr. Mullah would realize that how Bhopal is strategically important, how SysTech is strategically important when it comes to the development of a product or working on some new technologies, particularly the renewable energy. Thank you very much for attending this program, not only all of you present here in this hall, but also to the YouTube link or the YouTube live stream. I would like to thank everybody, Honorable Vice Chancellor RGB, Honorable Coordinator of 823, Dr. Chaubey, who has been kind enough, both of these gentlemen have been kind enough to continuously support us, the Team SysTech, for all such initiatives that our dear HOD, Professor Ashish Singh has been taking. The entire team is with you, sir. Don't worry. Please keep doing such events. We all are with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now request the HOD, the coordinator of this FDP, Professor Ashish Singhal, sir, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Professor. Respected Principal, sir. Respected experts, Dr. Mullah, sir. Famous and eminent industrialist, I would say, Mr. Qasim Chudhary, sir. My dear students, well, my dear heartfelt HODs from the department who join us this valedictory functions. Pankaj sir called me for the vote of thanks, but I am confused and I don't have any words to say thanks, because this is a 5 words which said everything. Okay, you came here, I said thanks. But I never want to thank you, sir. I never want to thank, because once I said thank, our journey will stop. I feel it. But my train will not stop until it reaches the station, sir. छोटी सी बात थी, शब्दों में तो नहीं रो पाया उसको, मैं कुछ कविता की 4 पंक्तियों को। पंक्तियां कुछ प्रकार है कि सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर, मिलेगी तेरी हर मेहनत का फल, किसी और का ना इंतजार कर। जो चले थे अकेले, उनके पीछे आज है मेले। जो चले थे अकेले, उनके पीछे आज है मेले। जो करते रहे इंतजार कुछ औरों की, उनकी जिंदगी भी मैं भी आज वो है बहुत सारे जो मिले। तो ये छोटी सी पंक्तियां थी, लेकिन बहुत मन में था कि इन पंक्तियों को मैं कहूँ आपके सामने। देखिए, these lines are having so many words behind it. If we think about it, the important thing is that when I have thought that I have to start one program, it should be offline. My team, I talked to my team, sir. My team suggested me, sir, how could it be possible, sir? So मैंने बोला था, it will be possible. I requested Mullah sir so many times. I requested Junaid sir, he said, can it be possible? Sir told me, okay, we'll do it. They gave us time, they gave us blessings, I would say. Not the time, they gave us blessings. Because this is we are very much fortunate, or I would say the Department of Electrical is very much fortunate to have a personality like this. To have a personality like Principal Sir also, I would say. Because as far as the department is concerned, or vision of the department will be come in the picture when your head or your boss or your reporting managers will support you. Or even not the reporting manager, I would say your team will support you. My team is not in the part of the electrical engineering, my team is a SysTech. My team as every member of the SysTech, Ratibad, who supported me in all times, in terms of housekeeping, in terms of admin stuff, activities, or in terms of administrations, in terms of any kind of help. These 2 days FDP, which base was ARM Cortex microcontroller for renewable energy integration, that was a very flawless program. Because I have attended so many faculty programs, even the principals have mentioned this thing. Such program could not be possible until when your theoretical knowledge will implement it in terms of practical knowledge. We see the programming, we see the simulation as Sir said, Sir told, draw in the MATLAB. We find the result as well in the MATLAB simulation. Even that MATLAB code dumped in the practical Visor platform, and same result we got it. Some simple exercises we have done it in this particular workshops. Sir, I assure you, this journey will not stop. Even my student, those who attended this program, and my faculty member will stretch the journey up to the end. And next time, I will think about it that if your support will be here, our project will be based on the power electronics converters. During this program, there are several queries which was online and offline. Offline was very much less query, I would say. It is a pandemic, but online query, I got it. There were 25 participants in the offline program, but we have got a number of huge participants in the online program. That was 212. They watch us very carefully. They watch us very, very over the time, I would say. Even this program certainly got help, and I got the feedback also from some research scholars who worked in MNIT, Sir Bhopal. Yesterday I called in the night. Sir, they told me, sir, thanks. Because they all are working on the DSpace and OpenRT systems, and very difficult to mapping all the simulation in that OpenRT and the DSpace. But this program was, when they found the ARM controller is like that, you can put all the interfacing with the MATLAB. So similar kind of things can be help to promote their research. Last but not the least, I would thank, or I would really be blessed from the TACU 3 RGPV Bhopal, Professor Chaube sir, Professor Vice Chancellor sir, even the whole SysTech family, I would say we are blessed. They supported us because without their support now we could not go further. We could not establish such type of programs. So their supports are very used to us. यदि वो नहीं होते सर मेरे ख्याल से मैं आपसे मिल भी नहीं पाता लेकिन truly there's some energy which is behind us. That was the Professor Chaube sir. I got the call in the afternoon from the Chaube sir. He told me that Ashish, please, if it is possible, if you have time, I want to meet the Mullah sir because I have some busy schedule. I could not come, but I want to meet. And sir, might be possible if he is in time, definitely we will come to you, sir. If you are not coming, we will come to you. He was very happy. I thank the management of the SysTech. I thank the chairman sir. I thank to the managing director sir. I thank the housekeeping staff. I thank to the IT staff. I thank to my colleagues, HODs. and all my faculty members as well. And all I thank to my dear students. Without you, it could not possible that this program goes to the success. So thank you so much, everyone. Without your participation, I could not reach this success. Thank you so much. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you so much, sir. Dear participants, let us come forward for the photo session. We are having group photo session over the entrance of this reception area. Please come forward. Thank you so much.